What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG, and for today's episode, I'm going to be filling you in on the new Black Friday deals that are coming to Metro by T-Mobile, so you can save a couple bucks on your next device purchase and on your monthly plan. Stay tuned. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. So I'm going to keep the best for last. First off, I'm going to talk about the port-in deals they have at Metro PCS right now. Let's say you're at Boost, Cricket, or any other carrier, you're trying to go to Metro PCS, you guys will get the best promotions. They're basically getting $200 off the Galaxy Q7 and the new Galaxy A6. The Galaxy A6, I think now is one of the best phones they have at Metro, and this is $299. So if you're porting over from a different carrier, you're basically getting this for $99. You honestly can't beat that. If you guys haven't seen my full video, I'll link it down below for the full review, by the way. So let's say you don't want to get a Galaxy A6 or LG Q7 Plus. You actually can get $150 off any of the iPhones they have in stock. What's cool is that they brought back the iPhone 6S Plus. Now you can get this now for $299 if you're upgrading or you're just getting a new number. But if you're porting in, you actually get $150 off. So it takes it down to $150. And honestly, for a 6S Plus, that's really not bad. Let's say you're not an Apple fan and you just want to stick with Android. You can actually get any other Android phone for $100 off. So let's say you want to get the LG Stylo 4. By the way, the LG Stylo 4 was $179. They dropped it down to $149. Also, the Galaxy J7 Star was dropped from $179 to $149. And last but not least, they dropped the Alcatel 7 from $129 to $99. If you're porting over and you wanted the Alcatel 7, for example, that's $100 off. So you basically get the phone for free. If you want the LG Stylo 4, you just got to pay $49. What's really cool is that if you actually port over and you have a family member that you want to buy a phone for, you can actually give them the same promotion and they don't have to port over. So let's say, for example, you're porting over one number from, let's say, Cricket, and you get the LG Stylo 4 for $49. If you have a family member or a friend that wants to get a phone, you can also get them the phone for $49 and they don't have to port over. You just have to make sure that it's on the same account and that you get the $50 or the $60 plan when you're activating both lines. All right, so let's say you're a new customer, but you're not porting over from a different carrier, or you're just walking in there to upgrade your current phone that you've had with Metro PCS. Some exciting news for you guys. They now have a promotion that if you get a phone that's priced from $99 to $299, you can get a second one for free. So let's say, for example, you walk in and you get a Galaxy A6 for $299. You can get the second one for free. Let's say you walk in and get the new LG K30, which is $129, and you get the second one for free. The catch is that you have to activate the second phone with a new number. So just keep that in mind. You can't just get the second phone for free and walk out. You actually have to activate it with a phone number. And not to mention that you have to get the $50 or $60 plans on both of those lines. All right, guys, so last but not least, I want to give you guys the biggest news. They will be giving the 4 lines for $120. I know some people don't like this because it usually was $100 for 4 lines, but I feel like this is still not bad because they now give you 15 gigabytes of hotspot compared to the 8 gigabytes that they used to give in the past. And matter of fact, I feel like sometimes with the 4 for $100, sometimes they didn't even give hotspot capabilities. But now what's cool is that they're giving you guys 4 lines for $120. And they will all get Amazon Prime, they will all get Google One, it's all unlimited data, and 15 gigabytes of hotspot. 5 lines, you can get it for $150. If you went in any other day to a Metro store and you got these same plans, you would have had to pay 4 lines for $150. So they're basically knocking off $30 a month on your plan. So that's really exciting. So quick recap of what I talked about. If you're porting into Metro PCS, you get $200 off the LG Q7 Plus or the Galaxy A6. If you want to get an iPhone, you get $150 off. And if you want to get any other Android device, you get $100 off. When you do the port in, you're able to give another friend or family member the same promotion. For those that are getting new numbers or upgrading, you get a buy one, get one free deal if the phone is priced from $99 to $299. 3 phones went down on price. The LG Stylo 4 went from $179 to $149. The Samsung Galaxy J Star went down from $179 to $149. And the Alcatel 7 went down from $129 to $99. Last but not least, you get the unlimited LTE plan for $30 a line. So 4 lines will come up to $120. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to be updated on any new notifications. Check out the reviews for the new phones at Metro down below. And also follow us on social media where we post pictures taken by the new phones that we review. Also, I made a Discord for those that are interested. I'll have that link down below so you can join us to be one of the first to be notified whenever there's new promotions, new phones, and any new prepaid news. Thank you guys for watching. All right, JG Nation, see you guys in the next one.